Proverbs 9. Wisdom has built her house. She has hewn out its 7 columns. She has slaughtered her meat. She has mixed her wine. She has also prepared her table. She has sent out her young women. She cries out from the highest places of the city, "Who is simple? Let him turn and hear." As for him who lacks heart, she says to him, "Come, eat of my bread and drink of the wine I have mixed. Leave the simple ones and live, and walk in the way of understanding. He who reproves a scoffer gets shame for himself, and he who rebukes a wicked one gets himself a blemish. Do not reprove a scoffer lest he hate you. Reprove a wise one, and he loves you. Give to a wise one, and he is wiser still. Teach a righteous one, and he increases in learning. The reverence of HalleluYAH is the beginning of wisdom, and the knowledge of the Kadosh One is understanding. For by me your days become many, and years of life are added to you. If you have become wise, you have become wise for yourself, and if you have scoffed, you alone bear it. A foolish woman is loud, simple, and without knowledge. For she has seated herself at the door of her house on a seat by the highest places of the city to call to those who pass by, who go straight on their way. Who is simple? Let him turn in here. And as for him who lacks heart, she says to him, "Stolen waters are sweet, and bread in secret is pleasant." But he does not know that the dead are there. Her guests are in the depths of the grave. Proverbs 9.